Are you angry because of social anxiety? I'm Addison, and here is your personal affirmation session to rebuild your inner strength, personal power, and enthusiasm. These historic quotes are 18 affirmations for extinguishing anxiety, increasing your self-confidence, and belief in your ability to be charming in social settings. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. When people do not respect us, we are sharply offended, yet in his private heart no man much respects himself. Mark Twain. 17. Love is the master key that opens the gates of happiness. Oliver Wendell Holmes. 16. We have all a better guide in ourselves, if we would attend to it, than any other person can be. Jane Austen. Intense feelings too often obscures the truth. Harry S. Truman. When grace is joined with wrinkles, it is adorable. There is an unpeakable dawn in happy old age. Victor Hugo. Once a new technology rolls over you, if you're not part of the steamroller, you're part of the road. Stuart Brand. Work. Look for peace and calm in work. You will find it nowhere else. Dmitry Mendeleev. Time is the least thing we have. Ernest Hemingway. Patriotism is the last refuge of a scoundrel. Samuel Johnson. One of the functions of intelligence is to take account of the dangers that come from trusting solely to the intelligence. Lewis Mumford. Humor is an affirmation of dignity, a declaration of man's superiority to all that befalls him. Roman Gary. Bravery never goes out of fashion. William Makepeace Thackeray. To err is human, but to really foul things up you need a computer. Paul R. Ehrlich. Do not speak of repulsive matters at table. Amy Vanderbilt. I have nothing to hide in art. The initial force alone can bring anyone to the end he must attain. Paul Cézanne. Sometimes your friends are your lovers, or have been at one time. Axl Rose. Es tan corto el amor, y tan largo el olvido. Love is short, and forgetting is so long. Pablo Neruda. I have been all things unholy. If God can work through me, he can work through anyone. Francis of Assisi. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.